Welcome to Quebec, a land where nature's artistry is on full display. From towering waterfalls to tranquil rivers winding through lush forests, this province is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey to explore 5 incredible parks, each with its own story to tell. Grab your hiking boots and let's get started. Our first stop is Canyon St. Anne, a natural treasure located just a short drive from Quebec City. As soon as you arrive, you're greeted by the thunderous sound of the 74-meter-high waterfall. It's not just the height that's impressive, it's the raw energy of the water carving its way through the canyon. But what truly sets this park apart are its suspension bridges. There are 3 in total, and the highest one hangs 60 meters above the river. As you walk across, you can feel the power of the water below, and the views? Simply breathtaking. For the thrill seekers out there, the Air Canyon zipline offers a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Soar over the gorge and take in the dramatic landscape from above. It's an adrenaline rush you won't forget. If you're here with family, don't worry, there's something for everyone. The walking trails wind through the forest, offering peaceful spots to admire the scenery. Canyon St. Anne is more than just a destination. It's a place to connect with nature and create unforgettable moments. Our next stop is Dalles Regional Park, a peaceful retreat in the Lanaudière region. This park is a hidden gem, offering a mix of natural beauty and tranquility. The centerpiece here is the iconic extension bridge. As you cross it, you'll be treated to stunning views of the river flowing gently beneath your feet. The combination of the soft breeze and the sound of the water creates an atmosphere of pure relaxation. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or just looking for a peaceful stroll, Dalles Regional Park has well-maintained trails for every level. Along the way, you'll find scenic picnic areas where you can enjoy a meal surrounded by nature. This park is perfect for slowing down and recharging your spirits. It's a place where the simple beauty of nature takes center stage. Gorge Park is next on our journey, and it's a place that will leave you in awe. Here, Rivers carve deep gorges through rugged terrain, creating a landscape that feels almost untouched by time. The trails in Gorge Park are a must for anyone who loves adventure. As you hike, you'll encounter panoramic viewpoints that showcase the park's dramatic beauty. One moment, you're walking through dense forest. The next, you're standing on a cliff overlooking the rushing river below. This park is also a great place to learn. Interpretive panels along the trails tell the story of the area's unique geology and wildlife. Families will find it educational and fun, making it an ideal spot for a day trip. Monte-à-Peine Falls is a true hidden gem, tucked away in the heart of Quebec. This three-tiered waterfall is surrounded by dense forests, making it feel like a scene straight out of a storybook. As you walk along the park's well-marked trails, you'll come across several viewing platforms. Each one offers a unique perspective of the falls, from the roaring cascades at the bottom to the serene pools at the top. This park is perfect for a family outing. There are picnic areas where you can relax and enjoy the sounds of nature. For those seeking solitude, the trails offer peaceful spots to reflect and recharge. Monte-à-Peine Falls is not just a place to visit, it's a place to experience. It's where the beauty of nature touches your soul. Our final destination is the iconic Montmorency Falls. Standing tall at 83 meters, which is taller than Niagara Falls and twice as majestic. This is a place where nature's power is on full display. The park offers multiple ways to experience the falls. Take the cable car for a stunning aerial view, or walk the suspension bridge for a heart-pounding perspective of the water thundering below. Montmorency Falls isn't just a sight to see, it's a memory waiting to be made. From the towering heights of Montmorency Falls to the serene trails of Dalles Regional Park, Quebec's natural wonders offer something for everyone. Each park is a chapter in the story of this incredible province, a story that invites you to explore, connect, and be inspired. Which of these parks will you visit first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to check and subscribe to Random Clickers for more adventures. Until next time, keep exploring!